कमल से ही सुगंध और कांति युक्त देवांगनाएं जब उस पिता को प्राप्त कर नहीं सकी तो फिर अन्य रोमनियों की बात क्या हुआ। उद्धव जी ब्रज में पधारे और समस्त ब्रजवासियों की प्रेम मधुरमा को उन्होंने दर्शन किया और अंत में राधा जी के महाभावों के दर्शन करके हर श्लोकों के द्वारा राधा जी के प्रेम महात्मा जो है वर्णन करें और राधा जी वो भाव प्राप्ति करने के लिए लालायित है। इसी कथा को वर्णन हो रहा है। ये ब्रजभाव लोभित से उद्धव अत्यंत धैर्य विनम्रता तथा दैन्य पूर्वक भगवत भक्त के मुकुटमणि कृष्ण प्रिया को ब्रजदेवियों के चरण कमलों में उक्त श्लोकों के द्वारा माधुर्य पुष्पांजलि प्रदान कर रहे हैं। इस शब्द के द्वारा ब्रजसुंदरी के प्रेम महिमा प्रदर्शित हो रही है। ब्रजदेवी की जगत पूजा के रूप में घोषित करते हुए उद्धव जी कहते हैं कि ऐसे अपूर्व तथा अदृष्टपूर्वक भगवत प्रसाद अन्य किसी ने प्राप्त नहीं किया। श्लोक में उस शब्द के द्वारा उद्धव का विस्मय प्रकट होता है। राक्षस समय श्री कृष्ण ने उल्लासित होकर रेत की जिस प्रकार कंठ देश का आलिंगन कर उनका मनोरथ पूर्ण किया वह सौभाग्यवश लक्ष्मी को भी प्राप्त नहीं हुआ। पद्मगंध और कांति विशिष्टा स्वर्गों की लक्ष्मी भी प्राप्ति नहीं हुआ। तो अन्नान्य रमणियों की क्या कहा संभव है। इस कथा हम लोग श्रवण करेंगे। मायम श्री यम्बु नितांतर के प्रसाद मायम न अयम यह
So the katha we were discussing about the shlok number 23 of Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam 10th canto 47 shlok and the 47th chapter and the 60 shlok. Nayam Shriyo Rigo. So here it is saying, in the Ras festival, Shri Krishna embraced the Braj Sundaris around their necks with his vine-like arms. So I told you about how Lakshmi Devi did the austerities,
और अंत में भगवान
and at least Bhagwan,
वक्ष स्थल में स्वर्ण रेखा से
so he gave the place on his chest in the form of line, golden line.
रासलीला में प्रवेश करने की
But still he didn't give the adhikar to enter into the Ras Leela to Lakshmi.
उसी के सर्जोषिता नलिनगंध रुचन अन्ना स्वर्ग में रहने वाले
So the people who are staying in the Swarga,
जो ब्रजदेव
so village devis are like so Swargiya Ramanis,
जिनकी अंग से जो है
so whose body's completion is just like lotus flower complexion,
जिनकी कांतियों के द्वारा छटा के द्वारा सारी
whose
दिशा अपने आप उजाला हो जाए।
the complexion of their bodies is just like
रुचांग कांति रुचि ही कांति जी। और दूसरी स्त्री इस जगत के स्त्रियों के लिए क्या कहा गया। सुना जाता है इस जगत में भी
so we have heard that in this world also there are many beautiful ladies.
कथा आती है।
So there are many stories of beautiful ladies in this world also.
इस जगत में चार प्रकार के स्त्रियों के बारे में
So there are 4 kinds of ladies described in this world.
पद्मिनी, चित्रिणी,
Padmini, Chitrani,
हस्तिनी
Hastini,
और संखिनी।
Sankhini.
पद्मिनी, चित्रिणी, संखिनी और हस्तिनी।
So, in this world, we have seen the four kinds of ladies.
माने ये समस्त लक्षण युक्त स्त्रियों की ही शास्त्र में वर्णन किया गया है।
So, these all kinds of symptoms described of a ladies in the
इसमें
scriptures.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ जो है पद्मिनी
Who is the topmost amongst them? That is Padmani.
वर्णन है।
So, Padmani is described into the scripture also.
रतिमंजरी ग्रंथ में वर्णन है।
It is mentioned in the Rati Manjari Granth.
पद्मिनी स्त्री किसको स्त्री कहा जाता है?
So, who is called the Padmani lady?
सुशीला नित्य गीता अनुरक्ता सकलतनु सुगीसा पद्मिनी पद्मगंधा भवती कमला कमला नेत्रा नासिका पद्मरन्य अभिगुणयुग्मा दीर्घकेशी।
They are posing like this, they speak very low.
कहते हैं अत्यंत मृदु वचन।
Am I audible to you like this? Huh? Okay.
देश थी और अत्यंत सुरीली स्वर से
So who speaks very in a beautiful way,
नित्य गीत में सदा अनुरक्त रहती है।
who always engage themselves into the Nitya Gita,
इनके अंग प्रत्यंग आदि जो है
whose body parts
यथार्थ रूप में विनाश है। विनाश में शरीर के जहाँ जहाँ पर जो अंग जिस प्रकार होना चाहिए।
okay. So the body parts of their body, it's proportional.
और सुंदर जो है
So here it is saying that their body parts of that ladies is situated at the right place where it should be in a proper way. Right? Proportional.
इस वक्त बहुत लक्षण है।
So these are many symptoms also about the Padmani, about the Padmani.
तो उन लोग की भी ये संभव नहीं।
So it is not possible for them too.
तो कौन सा सौभाग्य ब्रजदेवी के प्राप्त हुई? न रासोत्सवे अश्व भुजबंध भीष्म बंध। राजरूपी महा उत्सव में
Ras Rupi, the Ras festival, Sri Krishna
अथवा भुजाओं के धारण करके नित्य गीत आदि।
So in the festival of Ras, Shri Krishna joyfully embraced the Braj Gopis, putting his arms around their necks and fulfilling their heart's desires. This good fortune was not even attained by Lakshmi, who is eternally situated on his chest. So what to speak about others? So in this shlokas, so here it is described the topmost fortune of the Braj Gopis. Srila Jeev Goswami Pad in his Tika is describing. So in Tattva, Shri Krishna and Narayan are non-different, and the most affectionate Lakshmi Devi, who sports on the chest of Narayan in his Swarup Shakti. So Lakshmi is situated on the chest of Narayan in the form of golden line. She also resides on Shri Krishna's chest as a golden line, and she is never separated from him. Why then are gopis moods glorified over here? So Lakshmi always resides in the chest of the Narayan, just like a golden line. And there is no difference between Narayan and Krishna. according to Tattva Drishti, there is no difference between Narayan and Krishna.
नारायण और कृष्ण में कोई भेद नहीं, भगवान एक ही है।
Bhagwan is one.
परतत्व ब्रजे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन।
Advai Gyan Pratatva Braje Brajena Nandan.
परतत्व नद्द इति अद्वय।
So who is non-dual? He is one. There is no difference. In the scripture, it is also mentioned who is differentiate amongst the Bhagwan. He is Aparadi.
ये कृष्ण एक भगवान है,
If he thinks like that, Krishna is another Bhagwan, Ramchandra is another Bhagwan, and Narayan is another Bhagwan. So there are many different kinds of Bhagwan. So that is Aparad. That's why we shouldn't distinguish amongst the Bhagwan. Differentiate.
उपनिषद में कहा गया, मैं
In the Upanishad, it is said, Bhagwan is saying that I am the one and only.
भक्त के रसमाधुर्य
But according to the Ras Bhava of Bhakta, I present myself according to their desires of bhav.
चैतन्य चैतामृत में
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is mentioned, Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami saying,
कृष्ण एक होते हुए दो रूप में प्रकाशित है।
Krishna is being of one personality. Krishna being one, he is presenting himself in two personality. One is Swanch and second is Bivanch.
है, अपने अवतार आदि के रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं।
Swanch means who is incarnate himself in the another forms.
एकदम कृष्ण से अभिन्न,
So Narayan or Narsingh वगैरह ये सब Swanch हैं.
सब संत
Okay. So all the incarnation of Bhagwan, Narayan, Kurma, Varaha, they all are Swanch.
और विभिन्न अंश
And the Vivinansh,
जीव रूप में
so in the form of Jeev, he is in the form of Jeev, Vivinansh,
से कहने से
Jeev Shakti.
शक्ति
So if we are talking about the Vivinansh, so it means Jeev Shakti.
अनन्य अनन्य शक्ति के रूप में भी हमें साथ प्रकाशित
So Bhagwan is saying that I manifested myself in the form of so much powers, in the Shakti.
है। एक शक्ति शक्तिमान तत्व, एक शक्ति तत्व।
So one is Shaktiman Tattva and another is Shakti Tattva. Shaktiman is Swansh. Shaktiman is Swansh.
संग शक्तिमान स्वयं भगवान
Shaktiman Swayam Bhagwan, yes. No, if he incarnates,
शक्तिमान का है,
so Bhagwan is Shaktiman.
जहाँ से समस्त शक्ति की उत्सव होता
So he is the source of all kinds of powers, all kinds of Shakti. Just like Krishna,
है। कृष्ण शक्तिमान का है,
Krishna is called Shaktiman,
राधा जी क्या है?
Shakti, and Radha is called the Shakti.
ठीक है, बता दो। वही शक्ति जो है विविध रूप में भी प्रकाशित
So the same Shakti is manifested in a different form. Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti, Maya Shakti, Samveda, Aladni. So there are many forms of the powers.
इसलिए ये समस्त तत्व विचार दिखा रहे हैं।
So this is according to the Tattva Vichar.
परम तत्व एक ही जो परम तत्व
So according to Tattva Vichar, there is only one Param Tattva.
अचिंत्य सत्ता, भगवान की स्वाभाविक अचिंत्य शक्ति के द्वारा
So by the Achinta Shakti of Bhagwan,
अनेक स्वरूप में प्रकाशित
he is manifesting himself in the many forms.
आपका अचिंत्य सत्ता स्वरूप तत्व और जीव प्रधान रूप है। एक ही होते हुए उन्होंने क्या की?
So he is one. So first he has incarnated himself in the form of Swansh.
अवतार आदि
So he took the so many incarnation.
आदि स्वयं रूप, अधिकात्म रूप, आवेश
Swayam Roop, Avesh, Roop. In the Swayam Roop, he is Bhagwan, Brajinandan Shyam Sundar.
बलदेव प्रभु प्रकाश
So the second, he is incarnated himself in the Baldev Prabhu form. Then Chaturvyu in the Dwarika, Vasudev, Sankarshan, Aniruddha, Pradyumna.
वेशधार जो बलदेव
And-
के रूप बलदेव रूप में आकर के
And when he manifests himself in the Baldev form, then after that, Sankarshan, Karanadaksha Vishnu, Chirodaksha Vishnu, and Garvadaksha Vishnu. So this is according to the Tattva Vichar. Krishna is one.
ये सब उनके अचिंत्य तत्व के द्वारा
So these all are the incarnation of being by Achinta Tattva.
फिर शक्ति के रूप में
and then he manifests in the form of himself in the form of Shakti. There is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman.
वही शक्ति की दो प्रकार कहा जाता है।
There are two kinds of Shakti. One is formless and one is form.
मूर्त माने
Murt means
प्रकाश बोलते हैं इसको, मूर्त कहा जाता
so who is able to see,
है। अनमैनिफेस्टेड
and who is unmanifested like in form, formless. This is called Amurtavan.
कहा जाता है। जब कृष्ण की
When Krishna desires to enjoy or relish with his power, his potency, so he manifested his Shakti in the form.
कृष्ण की सबसे बड़ी शक्ति कौन है? इच्छा शक्ति।
So which is the biggest Shakti of Krishna? That is Ichha Shakti.
इच्छा होने के साथ
So when Krishna desires,
वो शक्ति प्रकाश।
so that Shakti take the form. That is called Ichha Shakti.
एक्चुअली वो मूल इच्छा शक्ति कौन है? श्रीमती
Actually, who is that Mool Shakti, the origin of Shakti? That is Srimati Radhika.
राधिका। एको अहम
Dutiyo Nasti.
बहुत सारा।
Eko Ham. I am the one.
फिर मैं अनेक रूप में प्रकाश करना चाहता हूँ।
Then I would like to manifest in myself in many forms. So if he's saying that I want that, so what it is means when he desires like this, so Ichha Shakti take place there.
संपादित कर दी।
So everything is arranged by the Ichha Shakti.
राधिका जो
So in the same Ichha Shakti is manifested in the form of Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण किसी समय नित्य गुलोक वृंदावन
It is said that once time Krishna in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham
रासस्थली में
and the place of Ras,
विराजमान थे।
he was staying at the Vanshivat.
यमुना प्रवाहित हो रहे
So there was a beautiful Yamuna was flowing there,
और ऐसे सुंदर मृदुमंद हवा चल रही है।
and the beautiful wind was flowing there, and the birds were chirping there.
भ्रमर आदि
The
गुंजन आदि करें पुष्प
bumblebee,
पुष्प आदि फूलें,
bumblebee are wandering here and there.
फल आदि
There are beautiful flowers are blossoms there.
छत्ता बना
So
गुंजन आदि
bee are making the chatta and going here and there.
धारा रूप धारा चलते जा रहे हैं।
So what the beautiful blue water is flowing of Yamuna.
स्फटिकवत कहा गया जिसे एक
So
की भी मुद्रा को
so the water of the river is just like a crystal clear. If you put a coin inside to the water, then you can see that.
अनेक प्रकार जलचर पक्षी आदि जहाँ पर फ्लोरस कर रहे हैं।
So many kinds of flowers are blossoms there. Birds are chirping there.
तो दीपक कृष्ण ऐसे मधुर दृश्य का दर्शन किया।
So Krishna took the darshan of this beautiful view.
दर्शन करके कृष्ण के हृदय में क्या है? विलास करने के लिए इच्छा है।
After taking a darshan of these beautiful things, Krishna wanted to
पीड़ा
Play,
कौन होता है? अकेले
play.
पीड़ा नहीं होता है।
play with all these things. So for one cannot play alone.
अपने एक
और लोग चाहिए ना,
के लिए व्यक्ति भी होता है।
अपने और लोग भी चाहिए. We need many persons.
तो कृष्ण की पीड़ा
So when Krishna wanted to play, so when he had desire, this kinds of desire, so what happened?
मैंने क्या की?
Then what he did?
जो मैंने क्या की? देखते देखते
So by the power of Yog Maya,
दाएं भाग जो है
from the right side,
वो कंपन होने लगे।
so there was little bit trembling there. So then sometimes some kalp, any kalp, there was Sadashiv was incarnated, and any kalp Baldev Prabhu was incarnated
बाएं अंग
from the right side of the Krishna.
होने लगे, कपने लगे।
So when the left side was trembling, so there is a beautiful lady was appeared from the left side.
जिसके चरण कमल की नभचंद्रिमा से लेकर के मस्तक की
So whose
कंची तक ऐसे
from toe to head, her all the complexion, the aura of that lady was glorifying the three words. All the body parts of that lady was attracting to the Kamdev, which can defeat it to Kamdev. So the beautifulness of this lady can attract it to many Kamdev and can defeat also the all many Kamdevs.
बराबर नहीं। कितनी सुंदर
So how beautiful was she?
उनके दिव्य छटा
So the body, the aura of her body, the complexion of that body of that lady was so beautiful. It was adorable.
है। केवल बस कृष्ण से ही प्रकट हो करके दो कदम जा करके बस कृष्ण की तरफ उन्होंने क्या की? मन नमस्कार करते हुए
So when she appears, just By two steps when she goes went before Krishna, she just little bit
और
smiled,
कृष्ण साथ ही साथ
and at the same
कामी
time
पुरुष के भांति
Krishna became like a lusty
उनके
person,
पीछे पीछे
and he was chasing her.
उसे पकड़ेंगे
For catching that lady,
कृष्ण जिस
Krishna was
गति से
running
दौड़ने
her.
लगे उससे माने 10 गुना गति से जो है
So
भागने
that lady was running the 10 times more than faster than Krishna.
अनंत अनंत जो वो कृष्ण जो है उनको किसी तरफ से पकड़
So chasing that lady, Krishna anyhow caught her,
कृष्ण
and with her,
है विहार आदि का
Krishna was playing.
इच्छा प्रकाश
By his desires, he was as he wanted,
इसलिए कहा जाता है
so he was playing with that lady.
उसी के नाम रखा गया क्या
That
राधा
that lady name's called Radha.
राधा
Radha.
अर्थात कृष्ण जिस महिला वर्ग के साथ रमन करने के लिए
So Krishna, who is playing the lady and chasing that lady for playing with her, so that is why her name becomes Radha.
अनुराग अर्थात
Because
कृष्ण अनुराग के साथ राम
Ra means Anurag.
अनुराग
So Ra means Anurag, Dha means chasing, chasing.
भावित हो
Dhavit bhagने लगे.
अर्थात
So
कृष्ण
so
जिस महिला को देख
for seeing that lady, Krishna was chasing her for playing with so much, with Anurag, with so much affection.
भावित हो
So when Krishna was chasing her,
इसलिए उसके नाम रखा
that's why her name becomes Radha.
अनुराग न कृष्ण धावती जगन्नाथ इति राधा राधा नाम इसके बाद
So that is why her name became Radha.
अनुरागे अत्यंत अनुराग के साथ
Anuragina means with so much anurag, with so much affection.
जिस रमणी की पीछे भावित हो गया
Krishna, who was chasing the lady,
उसी के नाम रखते राधा का
so that's why her name became Radha, with so much affection.
फिर कृष्ण ने देखी
What then what Krishna did again,
एक बंसी बट में पधारे
he lead with her and enter into the Vanshivat.
करने के लिए
And Krishna started, and Krishna desired to play with that lady.
राधा जी ने देखा
But when that Ramni saw, that Radhaji saw,
संपूर्ण रूप में कृष्ण को जो है प्रेम प्रदान कर सकते
but she was thinking that I can completely fulfill all the desire and give love to him, but still Krishna is not pleasing.
कहते बहु काम के बिना नहीं रस उल्लास रस माधुर्य उल्लास तब होता है
So when the Ras Madhurya comes, when there are many gopis presented,
यद्यपि श्रीमती राधिका
even Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desire and give all the love to Krishna,
है
but still she was thinking,
कृष्ण विचार करने लगे बहु
राधा
काम के बिना नहीं रस उल्लास
Krishna Radha ji.
रस की उल्लास जो माधुर्य तब प्रकाश होता है
So
कांताओं के साथ
Ras Madhurya always presented with many kinds of gopis or kantas.
मान आदि होता है और उस मान आदि मनाने के लिए है, तब ये समझते जो है अनेक कांता की जरूरत है मान का
Because in the Ras there is so much man. When somebody got man, when Krishna resides with only one kanta, one gopi, so there is no man. But when there are so many gopis, then mams comes.
गुमान हो जाता है मान नहीं होता सत्य में वास्तव में मान नहीं होता
In the Swakya Bhav, there is nothing like man.
क्योंकि एक ही पत्नी है
Because there is only one wife, so how she can do man?
ईर्षा आदि तत्पर होता है
Man and the enviness comes when there are many personalities.
तत्पर देख करके हृदय में जो क्रोध आदि उत्पन्न होता है
So when seeing the glorification of others, so then sometimes enviness comes in the mind.
तो वो पत्नी किसके साथ मान
When there is one wife staying with the husband, so how she can got man? Because there is only one lady there.
वो वाइफ में
Co-wife means
वो वाइफ किसी का पत्नी दूसरी पत्नी भी है
if there is if
क्या बोलते हैं
step wife, step wife.
तेली का है
हाँ वैसे हिंदी में सौत बोलते हैं बट स्टेप वाइफ.
जिस प्रकार
just like it is said,
वो ये क्या बोले
means second wife.
सूरज
is somebody got second married. Okay, it happens only in India. It's not mandatory, but actually the co-wives, it's meant somebody wants to do get married, if he is able to nourish all the ladies, so he can. Just like we have seen, so in our ancient time, there were many kinds of king who were you know, who were marrying with so many ladies. It is as it is told here, for taking the ras is relishing. So it was not possible for the one wife, so that that lady will cannot get man, so that's why
मैं अपने ही बस काम में पड़ा है जहाँ पर प्रतिद्वंदिता हो
where there is pratidwandita, like challenges or somebody else is there, so there is competitions comes in the judge in the material world we have seen. So we have seen in this material world, if somebody there is one couple like husband and wife, so there is no kinds of quarreling. But if that king has many wives, so there is a quarrels comes.
इसलिए ही करते थे ये प्रेम रस माधुर्य आस्वादन की
So why the kings ancient time got married so many women? Because for relishing the love and distributing the love so much, for for the so much enjoyment, they used to do like this so many marriage. What I'm getting now,
एक की उत्कर्ष देख करके दूसरे की क्या होता है ईर्ष्या होता है
from seeing the one glorification, second person personality thinks so much, get so much enviness. So this is showed in the ancient time.
और राजाओं की उसी प्रकार के भोग विलास में मस्त रहते हैं
And the kings also keep themselves engaged in the bhoga vilas, for sense enjoyments.
प्रकार जो है और कोई वस्तु नहीं था उन लोग की यही था ये समस्त भाव माधुर्य आदि दर्शन इसमें शास्त्र
So there was no other way. Actually, that was not sense enjoyments, but they would like to, increase the prema madhurya of that ladies. So that's why they got so many marriages. That's why they keep so many queens.
क्यों
Why?
दशरथ महाराज के 360
Dashrath Maharaj has
केवल रामचंद्र के छोड़कर
360 wives. Even except Ramchandra only,
और बाकी को भी देखा जाए
we have seen that other kings,
सबकी जो है
they have got married so with so many ladies.
दास दासी पटरानी
Das, Dasi, Patrania, which they are called like this.
यहाँ तक भी कृष्ण जी भी दिखाया
Even Krishna showed himself in the Dwarkavadi 16,108
16,101
Patrania.
पटरानी थी वो भी कोई कम नहीं है एक दूसरे से भी हर प्रकार से जो है सौंदर्य माधुर्य गुण के
So one is greater than the others. There was no one inferior there. One is greater than the others was there in the Dwarika.
कृष्ण मलबंधु हास है विरावलोकन है जिससे सुतगोस्वामी पाद सनुकादि विष्णु की निकट
Sud Goswami Pad, before the Shaunakadi Rishis, when he was describing the Braj Leelas, so what he said,
हे ऋषि वर्ग
Hey Rishi Varg,
ब्रज की गोपियों की सौंदर्य माधुर्य क्या बदली
what to speak about the Braj Gopis Saundarya Madhurya, the Dwarikas, Puris, Ramaniyas.
महिषियों की सौंदर्य माधुर्य
So if we talk about the Saundarya Madhurya, the beautifulness of the Dwarikas, Mahishni,
एक तो शरीर की सौंदर्य माधुर्य
so what kind of Saundarya Madhurya? One is bodily Saundarya Madhurya, bodily beautiful. As I told you, the Padmini.
है महिलाओं की जो सौंदर्य का है
So the beautifulness of the Padmini lady
शास्त्रों में
in the scriptures,
पद्मिनी चित्रिणी
Padmini, Chitrani, Sankhaniya, Hastani.
ये महिलाओं की सौंदर्य माधुर्य की वर्णन किया
So this kinds of Saundarya Madhurya is described of the Padmini ladies.
किंतु
But
द्वारकापुरी में जो
in the Dwarkapuri, the Mahishniya who was staying in the Dwarkapuri, Rukmani, Satyabhama and etc.
उनकी शरीर का तो सौंदर्य माधुर्य तो अवर्णनीय है।
So the beautifulness of their bodies is adorable, which cannot be described.
उनकी भी सौंदर्य माधुर्य भी पराभूत करता है
So which can defeat it? The beautifulness of this material world is not only one time, thousands of time. she's greater than this material world's lady.
देखा जाए और वहीं पर रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि एडिट महिषियों की सौंदर्य महिमा की उनकी
So the beautifulness of the Dwarika's Mahishini or Rukmani Satyabhama, it is incomparable.
इस जगत में हमको जिसके क्या बोलते हैं
So if we talk about Miss Universe, if we talk about this words Miss Universe,
कुछ नहीं
she is nothing before them. It's useless, nothing.
किंतु
But
रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि
if we talk about the Rukmani Satyabhama, the beautifulness of them,
समुद्र की लहरियों की भांति
just like the waves of the oceans, so their Bhav Madhurya appeared just like the waves of ocean.
समझते उनकी भी है
They have many kinds of Bhav in their hearts.
जैसे की प्रकार अलंकार की जो है सुमंडित है उद्दाम भाव कृष्ण मलबल को हास इनके ऐसे सुंदर मंद मुस्कान है जिसके माधुर्य देख करके
So, who has so much beautifulness that the seeing that beautifulness, the Kamdev is always chasing that ladies.
जो कामदेव सदियों के जो है
Who come the Kamdev
बैठ करके नचाते रहे
when who seated in somebody's hearts and dance that make the dance that people in the same way, but and that Mahishiyas are making the dance of making the dance
त्रिनेत्र से
of that Kamdev.
देखते हैं और अग्नि प्रकाश करके उसके भस्मित करते हैं
So Kamdev was destroyed by the Shivji by his three netra, by the third eyes, and that Kamdev disappeared from there.
भस्मित तो हो गया
Then when Kamdev was came to turned into the ashes, so what happened? The wife of Kamdev, she was worshipped and did the austerity for getting his husband back, and she was trying to pleasing Shivji that time. You know this story maybe.
कहने लगे ठीक है मैं तुमको तो भस्मित कर दिया
So Shivji said that I have,
तो रति देवी
destroyed your husband Kamdev. Then Rati Devi said, hey Shivji, please give me the benediction that I will be the Saubhagya Nari.
पति बिना सती में
So Shivji asked that how you can become the chaste lady without the husbands.
ले जाओ हमारे मन में जब जब इच्छा होगा पति के साथ मिलने के लिए सब रूप धारण करके तुम्हारे पास आए और बाकी समय वो अनंग बने अंगहीन होकर के हो रहा है
Okay, so what Shivji said, okay, I bless you whenever you have a desire for sex life. So at the time that Kamdev will come in the form of Anang.
अंग रहित
Otherwise he will be manifest in the form of Anang. Like
सब जीवों के क्या करते हैं मोहित करते हैं
so in the form of Anang, Kamdev always attract the every jivas.
तो उसी प्रकार किसी समय ये कामदेव
In the same way, there is a Kalpakatha, the Kamdev.
रुक्मिणी आदि सप्तमा के ऐसे सौंदर्य मधुरम की कथा श्रवण
So seeing when he was hearing the glory of the Rukmani and Satyabhama, the Dwarika's Mahishini,
पधारे
when he entered into the Dwarika,
तारकापुरी में वो रुक्मिणी सप्तमा आदि के जो सौंदर्य माधुर्य देख करके क्या
when he see the Saundarya Madhurma of the Rukmani and Satyabhama, so he got fainted.
इसलिए जो कहा है
So that's why it is saying Kamadev.
जो कामदेव अपने हाथ में जो है
The Kamdev
तीर धनुष रखते हैं
who is carrying the Voro and the arrow,
इसमें पांच
arrow and the bow in his hand.
प्रकार के
There are who has 5 kinds of arrows in his hand. What I said, bow and arrow.
वो पांचों प्रकार बाणों के
So these 5 kinds of arrow, they attracted the jivas.
पांच प्रकार के बाण क्या है
So what kind of 5 kinds of ban?
सम्मोहन का
Sammohan. One first arrow is Sammohan. Hypnotize. Hypnotize.
मोहित
So,
कर दे
attracting.
सम्मोहित कर
Sammohan. Hypnotizing. Yes.
आकर्षित कर दे
Akarshin. Attracting.
और फिर कहते हैं
And another one is. अरे बाबा क्या बोल रहे हो?
उच्चाटन हृदय में इतने मिलने के लिए प्रबल उत्कंठा कराया
क्या होता है उच्चाटन?
उच्चाटन कहा जाता
Second one is Uchatan.
है दूसरी बाण जब छोड़ते हैं
And
तो
the second arrow name is
इतने मुथित कर देते
Uchana, when he throws the second arrow, so it
और फिर क्या कहता
there
है?
is so much disturbance in the heart or mind.
ये सब उज्जवल निर्मल में भी
It is mentioned in the Ujjal Nirmani. It is described there very nicely. Sammohan, Uchcharan, and Uchchatan, Uchchatan,
आकर्षण,
Uchchatan,
उच्चाटन,
Uchchatan,
मोहन,
Mohan,
सन्मोहन,
Sanmohan,
और अंत में मुच्छा
and
स्तंभन कर देता
at last Stambhan.
है। ये समझ में आता है।
Sammohan, Uchchatan, Stambhan, and
तो उसी प्रकार जो है
so in this way,
वही कामदेव की उसके मूल कौन है?
so the origin of Kamdev is Pradyumna. Pradyumna is the origin of all Kamdev. So in the Swarga there is a Kamdev,
उसके मूल कौन होता है?
Pradyumna. So Pradyumna is the origin of all kinds of Kamdev. So who is the origin of Pradyumna? Krishna.
कामदेव कौन हो गया?
Krishna.
हम लोग जो काम गायत्री जब करते
So Madan Mohan.
हैं वृंदावने अपरिचित मदन मोहन काम गायत्री काम
So when we do the Kam Gayatri, so
इससे कृष्ण के कहा जाता है
Krishna is called Mool Kamdev. He is the origin of all Kamdev.
साढ़े 24 अक्षर के द्वारा
And his Aradhana we do in the 24.5 letters
काम गायत्री काम
when we do the Kam Gayatri.
वही कृष्ण की कामदेव की जो प्रकाश कहाँ पर होता है? द्वारकापुर।
So the same Krishna manifested himself in the form of Kamdev, that is called Pradyumna.
तो हम जो और उस प्रद्युम्न की जो छाया जिसे कहता है एक प्राकृतिक कामदेव का।
So the Prakritic Kam is called the shadow of Pradyumna,
इंद्र उसके जो है
who is staying in the Swarga, and Indra always use him as just like a weapon.
दूसरे के तपस्या को
So always Indra always disturb the anybody's austerities by this arrow, by the Kamdev. So when somebody do the austerity, so Indra so much disturbs that person with the by the Kamdev. He always think that he is doing the austerity just to taking the Swarga lok.
उसको जितना इतना साहस नहीं।
So winning over the Kamdev, it's not easy task. So what happened? There was a brahmachari who has left everything and went to the forest for doing worshipping. He was not aware about who is lady, who is gents. He was staying in the forest. So he did so much hard austerity in the forest. So what is the austerity means? So giving the suffering of your body, that is austerity. What is called austerity? So giving your senses and your body, that is austerity. Giving the suffering. So by this austerity, one can get so many kinds of fruits. Navanidhi, Ashtasiddhi Navanidhi, Adima Lagima, Bhagima, Angima. There are many kinds of Ashtasiddhi. Praptasya Vanshat Inshitva. So there are many kinds of Ashtasiddhi Navnidhi. You have heard about the Hanumanji. When he was going to the Lanka, so on the way, when he saw Sursa. He saw Sursa. So Shirsa, Hanumanji. So Hanumanji, when he got the so much huge form, and Sursa also got the huge form, then what happened? Hanumanji became very small, and he entered into the mountain, came out. So he has all kinds of siddhi. Adima, Lagima, Mahima, Angima, Bhagma, Inshitva, Vashitva, like Inshitva, Vashitva. These all kinds of 8 siddhi. It is all these kinds of siddhi manifested in Radhaji and Gopis also. Because everything is manifested by the glance of her toes, nails. Apar se siddhi riddhi. Kada karikshasi hamam kripa kataksh bhajanam.
राधिका के नखर चंद्रमा छठा सी तो इसे
So by the aura of the nails of the Radhika's toes, everything is manifesting. Like this siddhi is coming from there. All kinds of siddhis, all kinds of riddhis.
कामदेव जो है
So the Kamdev,
एक बार द्वारका पर
so he once he went to the, नहीं आप वो तपस्या बता रहे थे ना ब्रह्मचारी की.
अच्छा ब्रह्मचर्य के तपस्या तो ब्रह्मचारी
So that brahmachari was doing the austerity in the forest. How he was doing the austerity?
तपस्या ये पर इस जड़ वस्तु के जड़ संसार कोई वस्तु हमें देखना ही नहीं
So he was just thinking that I haven't to see any kinds of material things. I am just staying in the forest only.
कहीं नहीं कहीं
Because if somebody stays in the material world, so obviously he will attract it towards the,
आपको दिखाई
so he will attract it towards the ladies or gents, opposite sex like.
है कि ये संसार इसी प्रकार
Because this world is like this.
चिट्ठी से लेकर के ब्रह्मा तक
From the ants to the Brahma,
विक्रिया रहा है
everybody has having some vikar in their hearts.
क्योंकि स्वाभाविक है इस जगत का
वो दे माइक ले सकते हैं, माइक यूज कर सकते हैं. नहीं आएगी कंप्लेन, हमें तो सुना ही आएगा. थोड़ा स्लो कर दो वॉल्यूम, थोड़ा कम कर दो.
इस जगत में ऐसी कोई वस्तु नहीं है संसार में एक चिट्ठी से लेकर के जैसे पक्षी के
So there is nothing like in this world from ant to Brahma.
आदि जो है वो आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा जिससे आपके चित्त मन आदि छवि
So you will seeing some kinds of activity. By that your minds and your heart will be attracted towards that. You will see this kind some kinds of activity, because this is the nature of the mind.
मंत्र अधिष्ठात्री देवता कौन
Who is the Indra? Chandrama, sorry. Chandrama is the Adhisthasi Deva of mind. Man.
प्रवेश करता है
So he enters to the man. हस्त के है.
बात ये सब है
Is it true or not?
वृंदावन में नहीं कहीं
You are staying in the Vrindavan or everywhere.
से लेके बंदर से
From the,
दस्तक सब दिखाई
so you will see so many bad things in the amongst the monkeys, among the animals and the creatures also everywhere.
ऋषि जल में रहा था
Strawberry Rishi was staying into the water, and when what he saw,
कालिया क्या बहुत ऋषि कहा जाता
so Kaliyadaya, he was staying in the Kaliyadaya.
है करके वो क्या कहता
So he was doing the austerity into the water, and what is seeing? So he seeing some fishes.
क्रिया उसको दिखाई पड़ेगी नहीं पड़े आंख बंद कर दिखाई
अरे स्त्री पुरुषों मछली थी वहाँ पे तो.
मछलियों की दिखाई
हाँ, so he saw the activities, some bad activities of the fishes.
प्रेम आदि उसको दिखाई
So he saw some the
इस संसार में सब
huh?
विष्णु ब्रह्मचारी
Logging affair. What is saying? Strawberry Rishi.
संसार में कोई
Strawberry Rishi, who was doing the austerity into the watcher, so what is he seeing that fishes are doing sex, which is there. So her mind was attracted towards, oh, so he got some vikar in his mind and he left that place. His tapasya austerity was disturbed there.
अंधेरा हो जाता है तब उस गुफा में से बाहर आकर के वृक्ष के छाल को जो खाल है ना उसको दांत से काट करके थोड़ा खा ले देते थे गुफा में प्रवेश कर गया
कौन गुरुदेव? ब्रह्मचारी कौन?
सुना ही नहीं
अरे गुरुदेव, मेरा मन कहाँ है? स्ट्रॉबेरी ऋषि की बात कर रहे थे ना. स्ट्रॉबेरी ऋषि बाहर आ गए फिर.
है
स्ट्रॉबेरी ऋषि
सोगोरी ऋषि कथा तो कब कौन समाप्त कर दिया सोगोरी ऋषि ने जल में रह करके जमुना के जल
हाँ.
में रह करके तपस्या करनी
ठीक,
है
वो तो हो गया, कहानी खत्म. उसके बाद
फिर करके मैं ये कह रहा था कहीं भी रहे
so wherever you stay
इस संसार
in
में
this
जो है,
world,
अपने सेक्स के वस्तु आपको दिखाई
so you will see the opposite sex of the in this world. Yes.
है। इसलिए ब्रह्मचारी क्या विचार
So in this way brahmachari was thinking, so I don't want to see all this rubbish,
करते हैं जड़ कोई वस्तु में देखना ही नहीं
because I don't want to see this material things.
गुफा में रह रहा
So that's why that person was to staying in the cave in the forest.
और गुफा से कब निकलते थे
So whenever he came out from the forest, from the cave, when in the evening
सूर्यास्त हो जाए
after sunsets,
है। जब सूर्यास्त हो जाते थे
when the sun sets,
वो गुफा से बाहर आएंगे
so that brahmachari came out from the cave. and he used to eat a little bit skin of the trees.
है, और उसी को खा करके बस निकट में झरना की जल पानी
So eating that skin of the trees, and he was taking the water of the drill. झरने को क्या बोलते हैं? Drill, I think, like.
इसी प्रकार इंद्रियों के तो कष्ट थे
So he was giving suffering. He was giving so much suffering to the senses and doing so much hard austerities. But he had one desire that I want to see these material things. So seeing that austerity, Indra felt so much jealous. He was thinking, so how I have to contaminate him.
तो इंद्र ने क्या की
So what Indra did?
जो अस्त्र जो है क्या बताएं कामदेव के बोले
So he used his weapons, whose name is Kamdev. So he said, "Oh Kamdev, go and disturb the austerity of this brahmachari anyhow."
तो आप कैसे करेंगे
So now, how to Kamdev can do?
कामदेव ने क्या किया अपने पत्नी रति देवी के साथ
So Kamdev, what Kamdev did?
एक सुंदर लड़की और एक वृद्धा महिला के भांति है, उस गुफा के आसपास में कुटिया बांध करके
So there was a hut was made by that Kamdev in a form of very beautiful lady, young lady, and an old lady.
कामदेव की पत्नी रति देवी
So Kamdev's wife is Rati Devi.
है माँ बेटी बन गई
So that they have become the mother and the daughter.
बन गई बेटी
So Kamdev became the daughter, and his Rati became his mother.
वृद्धा महिला बना दी
Eh?
है कि नहीं
Kamdev became the daughter, and the Rati, whose wife, became the mother.
किंतु वो ब्रह्मचारी है
So at that brahmachari, he was staying in the cave like
नाखून के छोड़ कर पाए के नाखून के छोड़ के ऊपर ऐसे ऊपर उठाने
he never see upside. He always see downside like his toe. He is seeing his toe. He always see like this downside.
देखे तब तो उसके साथ बात करें
So if he see upside or straight so that he can see someone.
और निकट में जो गुफा के आसपास में जो पेड़ है
So there was some.
दांत में काट करके
So there was a trees near his hut. So what he near his cave. So he just come and take the skins off and he used to eat like this. So now what happened?
इसे कैसे रिझाई करें
So Kamdev was thinking that how I can attract this person.
इसमें क्या की
Then what he did?
बोले इसको रिझाने के लिए क्या किया रामदेव ने एक नया प्लान बनाया
So Kamdev made a new plan.
उसी पेड़ में जो है
In that tree,
जिस पेड़ को
so whose skin he used to take.
उस पेड़ में जो है
So in that tree,
और रसयुक्त जो है द्रव्य के ऊपर लेपन कर देना
so he has polished, or he has polished some beautiful rust there, like.
पेड़ के हाल में
So he has put some rust on the skin of the tree. अरे क्या?
हाल को लगा देना
So he has polished, polished some rust. Beautiful rust is in the on the skin of the tree. Are you getting it?
जब वो एक दिन बाहर आने में जब खाने लगे
What Kamdev did?
आज उनके ये सात जो सुतरी पे लग रहे हैं
He has make a paste of something and put on into the tree,
साधन का
skins of the tree. Okay. If you are not getting, then just like there is a little child
अन्नप्राशन होते हैं
when Annaprashan ceremony of the little child.
बालक पहले खाना नहीं चाहते कि थोड़ा सा
So that little child doesn't want to take that, but little bit sweetness comes to his mouth, so he always wants like this. Give me more, give me more.
तो उसको क्या है
First so he will like, oh no, I don't want to eat, mother, please give me something else. Or when little bit he get a taste, sweetness comes, so he's licking his, so he open his mouth and tongue like this and licking that ingredients again and again. In the same way, brahmachari, when he touch his tongue on the skins of the tree, he was, what is this? But when he little bit taste again, so it was very beautiful, sweetness was coming from that. So and started taking that skins of the trees very nicely again and again, again and again. So he was taking taste in that. If you're not getting that, go to HELLL. So gradually, what happened? His heart is, disturbed. Yes. So Bhishma Pitama said to the same to Drushpati, because I have taken the anna of the Duryodhan, the grains of the Duryodhan, that's why my mind is contaminated. Yes. In the same way, so that brahmachari, his mind disturbed, his wisdom got worst. So what he did, he left his austerity and he came out from the cave, just like a rat comes out from the cage. Because earlier he never comes out from the cave, but now he has came out from the cave now. So now what he has to do for so Kamdev has so much intelligence, now he is making plan again and again, new plan. So what Kamdev did, just like a beautiful lady was playing with the ball there. And what happened then? So that lady who was playing with the ball, so the lady in the form of Kamdev who was playing there with the ball, she hid herself into the hut. And when that brahmachari saw the little bit smile of that lady, that brahmachari attracted toward her, akarshan. So yes, so little attractions comes towards that lady of that brahmachari. So now they have attracted towards each other. So what happened? The Kamdev, no, that brahmachari said, that, "Oh girl, you are so beautiful. I would like to get married with you." He gave the proposal like this. So brahmachari was thinking that so I was thinking that I am doing the hard austerity, but everything is gone vain. So what happened next? That Kamdev was thinking, he's thinking to get married with me, that I can victory over the Maya. But now I will tell him the lesson. So what he did, so when he got the proposal, Kamdev give the proposal to the Kamdev or that lady. So that lady said, Kamdev is saying in the form of lady that before doing the marriage, we have a tradition in our culture, in our side, because that lady, ladke ko, so that she said that there is a tradition in our side that the person who is going to get married, so that husband has to be like a horse, and I will sit on your back. He has to be a horse, and then I will sit on your on your back. So this is all described there. In the Braj, you have seen there are so much marriages are there. Maybe they are poor or rich, so they have to, hire a horse. Yes. In the Braj, what happens? They have to hire a horse for. So that's the lady was saying that first you have to be a horse. Then I will ride on your back. Okay. So he became the horse. When he walks little 4-5 steps, then what lady did? She took a chabuk. You know chabuk? Shadak. Hunter like chabuk. So that lady started beating that horse, and she said, "Oh Murk, your austerities go to van, waste is destroyed." Now you have done so many austerity. Now you go to hell. So she told all the story because so just because of Indra, I came here to disturb your austerity, and you are already gone to the hell. So she said like this. So what's my mean to say here? The Kamdev, the Prakritic Kamdev, the material Kamdev. So once when he entered into the Dwarikapuri, Kaun Kamdev. So when he took the darshan from so far of Rukmani and Satyabhama, he took the darshan from so far of Rukmani and Satyabhama. Where is that shloka? Uttama bhava Sutta Goswami Pad is saying, Maharaj, Chabuk is called whip. Whip. So the sidelong glance of the eyes. Vidavilokanam. Taking bloods, sucking bloods. So Kamdev, when he was starting to before starting the throwing his arrow, what he saw when he saw the beautifulness of that Ramnis, he got fainted. Who? Kamdev. So that ladies who was so much, that ladies or the Maheshini who was so much intoxicated in love, so seeing that love, that Kamdev got fainted. The Kamdev himself got fainted on the, and he was falling on the ground. So Krishna, seeing that beautifulness of that Dwarika's Maheshini, Krishna never attracted towards them. Maheshiniya. So that Maheshiniya never attracted to Krishna. But in the Vrindavan, and seeing the beautifulness of Radha and other gopiyas, when they got little bit man and just or by the sidelong glance, they attracted Krishna easily. So as like our Pradhanand Saraswati Pad he is describing, he is writing in Radharas Sudhanidhi. So by the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, Krishna's body is trembling, and at last what happened? He fall down and fainted on the ground. So this is all described it very nicely. So in the Vrindavan, so the beautifulness of the gopis, so seeing that Krishna got fainted, it is undescribable. No one can, describe that. So it happens all everything in the Rasasthali.
इसलिए कहा रासोत्सव का विजय की जो लंबा संजय विराग विजय इसमें कहे ये समस्त भाव माधुर्य एकमात्र ट्रेजेडी क्यों नहीं संपूर्ण रूप में विराजमान
So these all kinds of Braj Saundarya Madhurya is, so that Braj Ramanyas is full of that Saundarya Madhurya, or you can say that they are the origin of that. विलास पंडिते कदा करिष्यसि वंदिकांत काम केलिको विदे कदा करिष्यसि हमाम करवा कटाक्ष भार बोलो श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की Kamdev is acharya of all kinds of material activities, lusty activity. So Krishna is the origin of Kamdev. So seeing the sidelong glance of Radhika Rani, he got fainted and fall down on the ground. That's why the gopis. So these kinds of bhav Lakshmi doesn't have. Lakshmi can never attracted to the Narayan. Lakshmi cannot attract to Narayan. It is even it is not possible for the Braj Dwarika's Mahishnis. That's why it is saying. So here he is praising the bhav of the gopis. So Tatvatah there is no difference between Krishna and Narayan.
लक्ष्मी जी केवल संभूत रस में स्थित है किंतु गोपियां कभी कभी मिलन तथा कभी कभी विरह युक्त होती है लक्ष्मी जी नारायण जी वक्ष विलास में प्रेयसी है किंतु गोपियां श्री कृष्ण की केवल प्रेयसी नहीं भारतीय भाव संपन्न रास रस संगीनी भी और कृष्ण के प्रेम माधुर्य को विस्तार अपूर्व कर सकती है.
Yes, like this. So Radha and other gopiyas are showing the Raso Sangani. They are called like this, Raso Raso Sangani. Who? Radha and other gopis in Braj. So they manifested so many kinds of Ras Madhurya. So they relish to Sham the Sham Ras. That is why she is called Shama. कहाँ पर है? What is the lackness in Lakshmi? Abhav. She doesn't have the one-pointed nishtha like gopis. Lakshmi Devi doesn't have the nishtha, the firm faith towards Krishna. कर सकते करना चाहते. So Lakshmi doesn't want to take the gopi form. What is Lakshmi Devi? Lakshmi doesn't want to take the gopi form. So she would like to enter into the ras in the form of Lakshmi, which is not possible for her. So she was unable to take birth in the home of Gopi, marry a gop other than Krishna for the sake of entering Parkya Bhav, associate with the Nitya Siddha gopis, and give up her identification as a Brahmani.
है तथा दूर चरे पृष्ठ मन
This is why
आयुष्य वर्तते सेना है विश्वचित परिणाम
यथा दुराचारे प्रेष्ठे
पृष्ठे मौन अभिष्ट वर्तते
स्तरम च तथा चेता संस्कृति कृषि गोचरे शी गोचरे
सन्निकर्ष गोचरे
Sannikrishte she gochare. So when her lover is far away, a woman thinks of him more than when he is present before her.
प्रियतम में भी नहीं होता है कारण सर्वदा भक्त विलास की व्यक्ति के सुधार को नहीं काम
Gaur Premanande. Sound is coming.
हरि